In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect YouTube to Patreon. By the end, you'll have a clean, clickable Patreon link showing on your YouTube channel so viewers can easily support your work. Start by opening youtube.com and signing into your account. For a smoother workflow, also open your Patreon creator page in a separate browser tab so you can grab your link when you need it. Having both tabs ready will save you from jumping around later. On YouTube, look at the left-hand sidebar and scroll down until you see YouTube Studio. Then click it. This opens the back end where you manage your channel. Inside Studio, find Customization on the left menu and select it. This is where you control your channel's layout, branding, and basic info. In Customization, scroll until you reach the Link section. This is the area that feeds links to your channel banner and Channel About tab. Click Add Link to create a new one. Don't worry about the order yet. You're just preparing a spot for Patreon. Now switch to your Patreon Creator Page tab. Near the top of your page, locate the 3 horizontal dots beside the Edit Page button and click them. From that menu, choose Share. This opens Patreon's sharing options. Click Copy Link to place your creator page URL on your clipboard. This ensures you're using the official link that points followers straight to your Patreon. Head back to your YouTube Studio tab. In the link section where you clicked Add Link, enter a clear title in the link title field, something like Support Me on Patreon or Join on Patreon. Works well and tells viewers exactly what to expect. Then paste the Patreon URL into the URL field. Double check that it begins with HTTPS so the link is secure and clickable. When everything looks right, click Add Link to save it. That's the core setup. Once added, your Patreon link will appear on your channel's About page and, depending on your channel banner settings, can display on the banner as a button. If you want the link to stand out, use a short, inviting title rather than a long sentence. You can also come back to this link section anytime to edit the title or update the URL if your Patreon changes. A quick tip: after adding the link, open your public channel page in a new tab to see how it appears to viewers. If you don't spot it immediately, give it a moment and refresh. And that's it. Your YouTube channel now points fans straight to your Patreon, making support just one click away.